Court reporters for years have been the record keepers of the court, taking scrupulous notes during hearings, depositions, and other legal proceedings. This question reminds me a lot of the second question where we had that extra piece where it asked which choice best maintains the style and tone of the passage. And the reason why it reminds me of that is because I have one word underlined here, scrupulous, that I can take a look at. And then I have some other choices below that seem kind of similar to that. And so I need to take a look at what is going to maintain the correct usage, the correct word choice, the formality, etc. of the passage. So if I take a look at scrupulous in this context and in really any context, scrupulous means to be diligent, to have attention to detail. Would it make sense for court reporters to take diligent, detailed notes during hearings, depositions, and other legal proceedings? Yeah, that totally makes sense. But I do want to double check really quickly. Super rigorous and spot on are pretty informal. I don't think I would ever see an SAT passage where my answer would be super rigorous or super anything really. It's pretty informal. Spot on as well, although it does make sense in the context, it is a bit informal. Intense in this case is thinking about doing something to an extreme degree, and anything that's too extreme probably doesn't make sense in this context. And here we're talking about court reporters taking notes. Is that going to be intense to an extreme degree? Probably not. So A makes the most sense. Let's keep scrupulous, meaning taking diligent, detailed notes.